What do I do? What'd you say?
You're here for me to swat.
Here we are. You just witnessed the first SWAT. I mean the 80th SWAT. Here we are walking on a trail with my two best buds. Back to the car. While Akil displays some new religion he has. Akil, why don't you give us a few updates?
What?
Your experiences for the day.
It was great.
What?
Get the hell out. That was a lot of fun.
Why do you keep hitting the air?
Are you filming or you? Because there's a lot of bugs flying around our faces. It's annoying.
Oh, okay.
The end.
Facebook, here we come.